hobo. Carne. Just relax. Look. The 2, but it is F2. You'll basically have the meaning what you're getting is.
That's a new one. Grab a steak.
Yeah. Wow. Just got it out the shop. I mean, that's yeah. That's cozy. Oh my. What are the chances you think I got a couple extra passengers in the back? Like, did you see? Like, look how far back. The guy, what's up? You want to play golf?
I want to ask him if what's happening, fellas.
Yeah, but that was a calculated shot.
We got Happy Gilmore.
What do they do then? Wow. Send me all your news.
I totally...
I gotta catch it. What am I doing? I forgot. See?
What do you mean there's no electric cars? We out here.
Yes, hello. Right, so chicken fingers. We got me some chicken fingers, and they didn't have barbecue, ketchup, honey mustard, but they did have something called comeback sauce. We're gonna find out what that is. She said it slaps.
Yeah, it does.
So we'll figure it out. Christ. Must have been that sauce LeBron was eating when he thought they were going to come back and win that game the other night. I don't even watch that shit, and I know that's how it goes. This is delicious. This is delicious. These are really good, actually. Oh shit, I'm coming back. No, it's good. It's like a chipotle mustard, some sort of... What? It's hot. Oh, like I'm melting my face off hot. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Good morning. It's I always say good morning. We started off this way.
Good morning.
Look, good morning. Yes. How are ya? Right. Meet at the market. Market at the meet. Support your local bit.
Forget about it.
You small money. Oh, I know you got triple digits. Oh man.
Oh my. So today, today is the day. Ben's harassed me enough over these lemonades and potatoes that we're doing it.
It's a slinky.
Of your affectionateness for the rest of the season.
Back it numb. It's an investment on your future.
Wait, let me. Alright. Alright, you get one more and that's it.
One more.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
All the freezing.
Is that okay?
Because I can't do that.
Oh, the salt on it.
Let's see.
Oh my. Okay, hang on. I need to get a little.
Yo, you want to give me a camera?
A little more there. Oh yeah, this is fantastic.
It's exquisite.
This is fantastic. No, it's very good. And you know what? I'm glad I ordered it first because I would have been upset if I would have seen you guys eating these with me. Do you want to try it before it comes out? It's very good. It is very, very good. Thank you. No, this is good. Come on. It's very good. Thank you. Burn the roof of my mouth, but. Yep. I could show.
Oh, this is amazing.
Yeah, very.
Oh my god, you're like happy as a clam.
I got one for you. This is a stick up. This is delicious.
You're not eating it like
With my teeth. Adventurous, Grandma. Jeez. I will. Now. Oh.